Let's see if we can make these nasty, yellowed, blurry headlights look new again for only 14 bucks with a few easy steps. Stick around to the end to see if this Armorall headlight restoration kit actually works. Yellowed and blurry headlights can cause a huge problem when driving at nighttime. All modern headlight assemblies are made out of a plastic which unfortunately becomes oxidized because of the sun's harmful UV rays. Now, you can remove that yellow oxidation with anything abrasive such as sandpaper, polish, and even toothpaste. The problem is that oxidation will return again pretty quickly if you don't apply a protectant over top. That's where this kit comes in. You can buy the Armorall headlight restoration kit for $14 US. I bought it on sale at Canadian Tire for $18 Canadian. But it basically claims to be an easy to use product that provides lasting protection without having to do any sanding or polishing. So now we're going to open up the box to see exactly what you get when you purchase this product. Let's get it unboxed and see exactly what it comes with. So as you can see there is the 6 swipes. Is there anything else? So no other directions or paperwork, just 2 purple ones and 4 of the oxidation removal wipes, and that's it. That's pretty much all you get. Very simple packaging. So now what we'll do is we'll go out to the vehicle. I'll show you guys the headlights and then we'll see how this stuff performs. Before starting, this is what you're gonna need: some glass cleaner and a paper towel, some masking tape, the product itself, and a pair of gloves. Start off by opening the hood so there's less to mask off. The instructions are very simple. Start off by cleaning the headlights with your glass cleaner, or go ahead and wash your vehicle and dry it completely. Then you're going to mask off the adjacent painted surfaces, because the chemicals used in this product could cause harm to your painted surfaces, so be sure to do a good job masking them off. So after that, grab the orange Step 1 packet and tear it open and get out the blue applicator. And this just looks like a Scott's shop towel with some solution in it. Now keep it folded, don't unfold it, and then we're going to swipe in a horizontal pattern. As you can see here, just with a couple swipes, the towel is starting to turn brown with oxidation. Flip to a clean side of the wipe and continue to scrub. Once all sides are used up and no more oxidation is transferring, you are done with step 1. The instructions ask you to use a second step 1 wipe and continue to scrub for at least another 2 minutes. I, however, skipped this step because I feel like my headlights weren't too bad to begin with. If you aren't 100% sure whether you got all the oxidation off or not, I recommend using the second wipe as instructed just to avoid poor results. As you can see here, the towel has turned brown after removing all of the oxidation. What I did was I took a clean corner of my pre-existing towel and I re-scrubbed the headlight just to show that no more yellow is transferring. As you can see here, no more oxidation has transferred onto the towel, and that's exactly what you want before moving on to step 2. The second step is very easy. Take a step 2 wipe, take it out of the package, and then you want to swipe back and forth in an overlapping way to get full coverage and even coverage. And as you notice there, it instantly starts to get a lot clearer. So now you're going to give this 3 hours to dry and then you are done. Here's what it looked like before. As you can see, very yellow and hazed over, compared to what it looked like 3 hours later. Not perfect, but a lot better. Well, as you just saw there, this kit definitely works and does exactly what it claims. I'm impressed with the short-term results that this product delivered. Now we just have to give it some time to see how it does over the coming months. For under $20, I strongly recommend this product. Even if it only lasts a few months, it's still way cheaper than having to replace a headlight assembly. If you want to support the channel, you can buy a super thanks by hitting that link below the video, or use any of my Amazon affiliate links in the description, and you don't even have to buy anything that I'm linking to. Just buy anything after you click that you normally would anyway within a 24-hour period, and I'll still get a commission at no extra cost to you. Hit that like button and comment if you found this video helpful. Check out these two videos right here and here for 2 more Armorall products that I'm super impressed with. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you next time.